All right, so a lot of you guys have been asking for the prompt of this specific one. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to give the prompt, but also I'm going to give you an idea of how you can incorporate these to your own offer so that you don't copy the exact same thing here. You can adjust it to your main offer. Okay, so the very first thing you're going to need is we are going to need a Magnific.com account. If you want my affiliate link and 20% discount, you have down below or somewhere around here. That's the first thing you're going to need. And the second thing you're going to need is this prompt right here. Now, this prompt is in the exact same file as the other prompts that I have created. So if you guys want this prompt as well, it should be in the video or down below. It's free to access, no opt-ins whatsoever. Now, we have these two things. Let's go ahead and get things rolling. Now, if you just create your Magnific account, you don't see like this. What you see is this page, right? So what we want to do is we want to go to all tools, spaces, and then spaces again. And then we want to create a new space. When we are in this new space, we are going to start with an assistant. So assistant, okay? Now here, we're going to add an upload, and this upload should be an image of yourself. So in this case, I'm going to add, I don't know if I have an image of myself here. I'll add this one. Okay, this is a GigaChat version of it. Anyway, so the next thing we're going to need is we're going to need to add an image generator. This image generator is going to be ChatGPT 2, but you can use whatever you prefer. Sometimes I use GPT-2 or Nano Banana, etc. And then we need to add and connect the image to the node assistant and to the node image generator. Now from here, what you want to do is Gemini 3.1, and you should have everything you need. So let's go to the prompt. Let's go Command A or Control A, and we're going to paste it right here. Oops, right there. We don't need this here. And now all you need to do is you need to fill in these things. So funnel building, the offer, how to build funnel with AI, and then the image is going to be this one. Once you have this, just hit run from here, and then just wait for it to work. Now, while we wait for the prompt to work, if you want or are curious or checking other work that I've done, concept work, you can go to localhost3030.com and you should get access to this. You can have access to the videos, and soon I'm also going to add each prompt and video step-by-step process right here to create it. If you're also interested on in creating these things like these live things, what you should do is you join the program that my wife has. I partner with her where she teaches how to do the AI stuff. So she's a developer and she has been teaching me how to build proper pages, because for the past decade I have been working with drag and drop systems, and now that's kind of like outdated. So I'm learning how to do this with AI, and so far it's working very, very well. If you'd like to join us, click the link there and check the details, or send me a DM. In the meantime, we already have the prompt from the assistant created. We just need to add, wait for the generated image. Okay, so there we go. We have the image generated right here, and it's very similar. There's a few things that I don't really love. So for example, the AI Funnel Master here and that one, I actually prefer the one on the center. So I could go ahead and remove that one. But how do I do that? You just go to Edit, and then you can go to Retouch, Erase, and then you make this smaller, and then you just erase that thing, and then so you would do that, and voila, you'll get there. Okay, now another thing I would change is this border. It doesn't look like everything is aligned in the center, so you could manually adjust that, or you could hit send and send again for it to create another image. Sometimes I generate around 8 to 12 images to get one that is very, very close to perfection. And in this specific case, for example, I think I did around 6 images. Okay, so you don't need to spend a lot of time waiting for those images. If you want, just check how much time or how many tries it takes to get to exactly what you want, and then edit right away from the get-go. Like add like 4, start with 4, and then add 6 or 8 if you need it. and then this image generator is going to create 6 or 8 different variants, and then you don't need to always be generating more and more and more and more. You have a lot of different examples, so you're going to have nuances that are going to be from each one, and then you choose the one that you like the most. So let's wait for the image to generate again. All right, so there we go. Let's click here. Right, the thumbnail is a little bit better, but there's a tilt version there. The center is good. The FOMO bar is good. The navigation bar is good as well. I mean, I would give this one a 6 out of 10. The only thing I don't really love is the kind of tilted thumbnail. Anyway, I could go ahead and remove it. Everything else looks good. If you don't really have, like, if you have a specific logo, you can add your specific logo. But anyway, this is exactly how to make it happen. I do have more tutorials. Go find on my YouTube channel or etc. And like I mentioned, if you like to learn how to make this stuff happen, or for example, this website here also 100% built with AI, the backgrounds, the effects, the cursor, all these different things. If you like to learn how to do this kind of stuff, then think about joining the AI for Entrepreneur. Send me a message and we get going. Cheers.